Hello and welcome to the Wealth Theory Report, and this is my first edition, and today we'll be talking about the be, do, have principle. Now, most people actually are living that principle in reverse, which is that they're living in have, do, be. And it's these very people that continue to say, when I have enough money, then I will invest. When I have enough time, then maybe I'll start a business. When I have enough, well, you fill in the blanks, then I'll be wealthy. And most of us have heard the statistic that 97% of the population by age 65 are either dead or dead broke. And it's these very people who think that making more money or having more time means that you have to work harder or that you have to get lucky somehow. And it has nothing to do with the way that they make decisions. So when you talk to people and you ask them what they want out of life, most will say that they want to enjoy life more, they want to travel, etc. But only 21% of the population even has a passport. $54 billion was spent on lottery tickets in 2005 alone. Now let me share the statistics of people who are literally waking up by the thousands each day to a new way of thinking. Do you know that there are over 8 million people who have a net worth of $1 million? 600,000 people entered the world of millionaire last year. And there are 430,000 U.S. households with a net worth of over $10 million. And what do all of these people have in common? Well, they're following the be, do, have principle. So let me share that with you. The be, do, have principle says that in order for you to have something, you must first take on the role of already having it. So if your goal is to be a millionaire, then every choice that you're given on a daily basis, you must simply ask yourself the question, if I were already a millionaire, what would I choose? Be, do, have is simply being the person first. Do what that person would do, and then you will have what that person has. To make it stronger, what I do is personally pick somebody that I know that's already having the results that I want. So let's take Donald Trump, for example. So if I'm given the decision which I feel will take me closer to my goals, but seems to be bigger than I can handle at the time, I simply ask myself the question, what would Donald Trump do? And immediately I get the answer. So if whatever decision you're faced with, that you feel that you don't have the money or the time to take advantage of, simply ask yourself the question, if I was already a millionaire, what would I do? And it really is as simple as that. If what I'm saying defies logic for you, then there's no doubt that you're going to be one of those that at 65 is either dead or dead broke. And if that's the case, then I would heavily study the be, do, have principle until you do understand it. Because whether you know it or not, and whether you believe it or not, it absolutely applies to your life. This is Karen Higginson, and next week I'll see you on the Wealth Report Part 2.